I have moisturized my face and now I am applying orange color corrector. Hello and welcome to my channel. My name is Vallari. Wherever there is uneven skin tone, I am going to apply this color corrector on it. On the concealer, I am using a little bit of loose powder. Next, I am applying foundation. I used a powder brush to apply the foundation, but it was a total fail. So next I used a wet beauty blender to blend the foundation. But what I personally feel is that you can always experiment with the makeup. Next I am applying concealer to highlight my face. I'm blending the concealer with a beauty blender. You can use even dry sponge or a brush to blend the same. Next I'm setting the concealer with some loose powder. I'm contouring my face with a powder contour. To contour my nose, I'm using a smaller brush. Next I'm applying blush. I'm applying some highlighter. For my eyebrows, I used a brow pomade. I usually use eyebrow pencil for my eyebrows as they come in very handy. But in this video, I decided to experiment and use eyebrow pomade. Next I am cleaning the edges with a concealer. Next I am applying eyeshadow base. To start with the eye makeup, I am using this shade first. With the help of a flat brush, I am applying this shade all over my eyelid. I am applying the same shade on my lower lash line with the help of a pencil brush. I am using this shade next. With the help of a fluffy brush, I am blending the shade on my crease. Next I am using this shade on my lid. This dark shade I am going to be using only on the outer corner of my eye. To apply the shade, I am using a small brush. I am blending the same shade on my lower lash line. Next I am using this shade. To apply such shimmery shades, you can always use your fingers. You can even use wet brush. Next I am smudging some kohl on my waterline as well as tightlining my eyes. Mascara and lashes I am going to apply off camera. I am using a liquid lipstick by L18. And that's it. That's the final look. If you like the video, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to my channel. Thank you so much for watching.